Welcome to WhatGear Reviews, you legendary tech fans, and today I'm unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Book S, and it's the first laptop running on the Qualcomm 8CX. Yes, there was the Windows Surface Pro X, but that was a modified version by Microsoft. This one is running the proper 8CX, and it's a proper laptop as well. It's not a two-in-one. And I want to say a big shout out to Qualcomm for hooking this up for review. If you've been shopping around for an alternative to an Apple Macbook Air, I think this is what you're looking for. Stick around. So as you can see, it's Windows 10, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8CX 4G LTE, and I have an EE SIM card here for this. 13.3 Full HD Plus TFT touchscreen, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 ROM, 42 watt-hour battery. So here's the actual laptop itself, and this color here is earthy gold, and actually the build quality on this is amazing, and that finish there is all metal, no plastic. Anyway, let's see what else comes in the box. USB-C charging cable, usual literature, USB to USB-C adapter, which will be very handy because this laptop doesn't have any standard USB ports, only USB-C. And then you've got a super fast charger in the box. Okay, so this is literally everything that you get with the Samsung Galaxy Book S. All right, so let's run through the design of this thing. This is what they call the earthy gold. It's full metal front and back. You've got AKG speakers inside. So you've got the AKG logo there. You've got two USB-C ports, one on this side, and you've got a little LED indicator there. That's for charging and stuff like that. It's going to light up. Then you've got another USB-C and a headphone jack there. If we open it up, it's incredibly thin, by the way. Look at that, so thin. Just to give you an idea of how thin that is, here's my Galaxy Note 10 Plus side by side with this laptop, and that's in the closed position. You've got these little vents as well on the bottom here, which I'm assuming are the speakers or simply air vents. I'm not sure. My only concern is that metal front and back might get scratched quite easily, so you might want to look for a skin or some kind of nice carry case for this. And I do have a nice carry case actually that Qualcomm sent me, something like this, really nice leather case. Chuck that in there, you don't have to worry about scratches. Let me power this thing up, get the SIM card in there, and then I'll show you it running. And the SIM card tray is literally just here on the back, nice and easy to take out. And you can see there's also space for an SD card, so you can expand that memory if you want to. That's pretty awesome and very easy to do as well, which is good. Let's open it up. Now, one of the cool things about this is the power button here is actually a fingerprint scanner as well. So once you set this up for the first time, you can actually use your fingerprint to log in. The inside of this is really nice as well. It's got this kind of rubberized texture. You can kind of see it's quite grippy, which is what you kind of want when you're resting your palms. You don't want to have cold steel and your hand sort of leaving smudges all over it. That's a really nice design there. I'm assuming these are microphones. The keys have a good amount of movement, not loads of movement, but they feel nice.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
So I've literally just done the setup here on the Samsung Galaxy Book S, and Cortana actually guides you through each step, and you can do a lot of it just with your voice. You set up the biometrics. It sets up OneDrive with your phone, so all your files from your phone immediately sync to this. And there's some cool stuff you can do as well because it's Samsung, and if you use a Samsung device, you can actually use your phone directly with the computer, so you can sort of hot swap between using your phone on your computer screen and actually transferring, drag and dropping stuff between the two devices seamlessly. And you can even bring up decks directly here on this laptop. And a few key things you absolutely must know about this device: it has no fans inside, 0 fans, because it's running on that 8CX chipset, which is all in one. It's modem, graphics, CPU, audio, everything on that little 7nm chip. So it's incredibly lightweight, very power efficient. They say this thing can last up to 25 hours. And if you're wondering about the weight of the actual laptop itself, it's only 961 grams, and it's actually 11.8 millimeters thin, and of course it has a full metal jacket. If you guys have any questions about this specific laptop, let me know. I'll add that into the review. If you got any videos you want to see in specific with the S20 Ultra, or if you want to see a comparison between the Microsoft Surface X and this, let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to make it for you. Appreciate you guys watching this video, and if you just subscribed, you're now one of the finest subscribers known to man. I'll see you in the next one. Don't be late.